From the chaos of New Delhi to the calm of Bir Billing.
Push that pedal.
5 riders, 1 road, and over 1,100 kilometers of pure adrenaline. And just enough food and water breaks to keep the engines and us going. But Bir Billing wasn't just a destination, it was a calling. Known as the world's second highest paragliding site, this place pulls you in and then asks, how far are you willing to fly? And I said, all the way. With Aman from HP Adventures at the controls, what followed was nothing short of magic. A smooth takeoff, a silent glide above the mountains, and a landing that felt like touching a dream. But the ride didn't stop there. 3 of us pushed further towards Rajgunda, where roads fade and raw nature takes over. No noise, no rush, just mountains and moments that stay with you. And then came Bangaru Waterfall, a hidden gem after a 1-kilometer trek through the wild. Every step building anticipation, until suddenly a massive cascade standing tall in front of us, untouched, powerful, real. And what's an adventure without a taste of the local life? Hot, authentic Siddu from a roadside stall. Simple food. It tasted like a reward. This wasn't just a trip. It was a story of roads, of risks, of friendship, and of chasing that feeling that only the mountains can give. Bir Billing, we didn't just visit you, we lived you.